In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check conversions in Google Ads. Understanding how to track your conversions is an essential part of managing a successful advertising campaign. Conversions reflect the actions that users take on your site after clicking on your ad, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter, and they provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of your ads. So let's walk through the steps to access and review your conversion data. First, you'll need to open up your browser and navigate to the Google Ads platform. Once you're there and logged in, look for the Overview section. This is a good starting point as it gives you a broad view of how your campaigns are performing. Keep in mind that the Overview provides a snapshot to help you quickly identify any areas that might need immediate attention or reveal opportunities for improvement. Next, within your Google Ads dashboard, you will see a tab labeled Goals. Go ahead and click on it. The goals section is where you can view and manage what you've set as targets, such as specific user actions that you want to track as conversions. This tab is crucial for keeping your campaign focused and aligned with your business objectives. After you've clicked on goals, the next step is to select conversions. Now this is where it gets interesting because the conversions page is essentially the heart of monitoring your campaign performance regarding user actions. Here you'll find detailed information on different conversion actions that have been set up in your account. Pay close attention to this data as it will tell you which campaigns, ads, or keywords are driving valuable interactions that contribute to your business's success. If you want to get a more summarized view of this information, all you have to do is click on Summary. In the Summary section, you can get an overarching view of all your conversion actions. This area breaks down your data into actionable insights which make it easier to interpret and utilize for optimizing your campaigns. The summary page is particularly helpful if you're managing multiple campaigns or complex strategies, as it allows you to quickly assess overall performance without getting bogged down in details. Throughout this process, make sure that your conversion tracking settings are appropriately configured and that any conversions relevant to your business goals are being accurately tracked. It's always a good idea to regularly check this data and tweak settings as necessary to adapt to any changes in your campaign or business strategy. And there you have it. Checking conversions in Google Ads, a straightforward yet powerful way to measure the success of your advertising efforts. By regularly reviewing this data, you can make more informed decisions and ensure that your marketing strategies are focused and effective. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Google Ads campaigns.